Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS की Department of Psychiatry ने सिंधुना International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking की थौरम ngasi department asigi Dr. Kamal Hall da pangthokre. The evidence is clear. Invest in prevention haibu wakhalonda pangthokpa थौरम अदुदा RIMS की Medical Superintendent Professor Sanjib Nepram, RIMS की Department of Psychiatry की Head of Department Dr. S. Gozendra, RIMS की Academics की Dean Dr. Brozen Akoizam Amadi, RIMS की Department of Psychology की Head of Department Dr. N.G. Samitana Sarukya की थौरम अदुगा मरी लेना RIMS के Medical Superintendent Professor Sanjib Nepram na hai ngasi फावदा RIMS की Department of Psychiatry na mayai काबु चिंजाकता laichurabana leiramba Meeoi Lishing kunmathoi gi mathakta fahanduna Mahousha gi Punshi-Da Hanjilhanba Ngamkhre ngasi su nongmada drug addict chama gi mathakta layeng chathaduna leiri asi yauna chinkraba department asina ngasi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking gi thauram pangthokliba asimak yamna chawthok chaningai ni department asina paikhatliba thabak sing asigi mathakta tongan ba national program mangasu department asida sathari drug amasung drug ki issue asi tarai na handle tawba yaba issue amadi nate masida legal amadi social issue yauna tongan ba khudong chadaba kaya ama thengnari bani adumoinamak ana layingi lamda thabak tawba medical professional singna issue asibu yamna haina singna amadi kathokpa amaga loinana handle tawriba asi singthaningai ni haina su mahakna makhatana fongdokhi.
The contribution of Department of Psychiatry and Clinical Psychology is worth mentioning. RIMS is having the program of the ETC and RRCC. This college or this institute or this department is looking after 8 states of India in drug de-addiction. So this is a very important program. In Manipur there are many DTCs, but the most successful one is this center. So I congratulate this department. I learned that successfully already 21,100 patients are already treated. 21,000 have recovered from drug de-addiction. They have become engineers. They have started a family, good businessmen. A big round of applause for this department.